Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video we're going to talk about bedroom trends. Bedroom design is in the midst of an exciting evolution. Bedroom trends epitomize a thrilling fusion of tech-savvy convenience, luxurious comfort and eco-conscious design, tailored to the ever-changing demands of modern living. Let's dive in to see a vibrant celebration of innovation, invigorating body and spirit. So, let's get started. The hottest in vogue embraces an eclectic style mixed with innovation, sustainability, and unbeatable aesthetics. With all that's trendy in bespoke bedroom design, your haven is certainly in for a game-changing transformation. Defying the structured and precise design, bedroom trends see a resurgence of maximalism. Expect bold patterns, eclectic furnishings, and a fearless approach to mixing styles. Now, you can embrace a look that reflects your unique personality. That said, keep it to the designer quality by setting a plan for your interior. Pick a style or fusion of styles, a color scheme and a floor plan, pinpointing furniture and decor placement. This way, you can create a mesmerizing space that feels calming and well put together. Master bedroom trends and ideas speak luxury and simplicity. While opulent materials like velvet and silk remain popular, they're presented in neat designs and neutral palettes. In this way, there's a balance in combining luxurious materials' tactile pleasure with minimalist design's visual calm. It's a combo that brings refinement without overwhelming the senses. Embracing the trend of low-hanging bedside pendants is all the rage in bedroom design. These stylish pendant lights suspended just above your nightstands not only make a designer statement but also offer practicality and flexibility. They add a touch of modern sophistication, and with a wide variety of designs, you can easily match them to your decor style. Imagine the cozy ambience they create as they cast a warm, ambient glow, perfect for bedtime reading or setting the mood. So, if you want to elevate your bedroom's aesthetics while keeping functionality in mind, low-hanging bedside pendants are the way to go. In line with all things eco-friendly, bedding trends boast sustainability and ethics. Today's consumers are leaning towards green materials, responsibly sourced linens, and cruelty-free manufacturing methods, emphasizing our shared responsibility for the planet and its inhabitants. From bamboo frames to organic cotton mattresses, the emphasis is on reducing environmental impact without compromising comfort and aesthetics. Plus, these sustainable options often have added benefits like hypoallergenic properties and improved breathability, marrying ecological responsibility with personal well-being. Elevating your master bedroom's design game means adding a statement chair to the mix. These eye-catching chairs are perfect for infusing your signature style and a designer touch. Whether you opt for a plush velvet accent chair or a sleek mid-century modern piece, it becomes the focal point that adds character to your bedroom. Not only do beautiful chairs serve as a practical spot to read, relax, or simply unwind, but they also bring a dash of uniqueness and charm. So if you're seeking a quick and stylish bedroom upgrade, introducing a statement chair is the way to go. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. From bedding to bed to colors, bedroom trends are also soothing, and Japandi fits right in. This tranquil bedroom style is becoming ever more covetable thanks to its rich blend of warm minimalism and organic materials. If the new year could have a poster of living, it would be fashion-forward Japandi. Drawing inspiration from past decades, one of the prominent bedroom design trends is the retro rerun. From mid-century modern influences to vibrant color palettes reminiscent of the 70s, bedrooms get a delightful blend of the old and new. This return to bygone eras offers a rich tapestry of design elements that evoke nostalgia while seamlessly fitting into modern homes. It's in line with the top bedroom styles, fusing vintage charm and contemporary finesse. It's about creating a space that tells a story of the past and the present. In this way, you can celebrate the best of both worlds, and you can pick what you want to highlight, like combining the craftsmanship and character of antique designs with the sleekness and convenience of modern living are merging classic patterns with contemporary furniture. Driven by a desire of authenticity and serenity, earthy neutrals like sandy taupe, forest green, and soft terracotta are becoming prominent choices. These shades echo nature, creating spaces that exude warmth and tranquility. Calming tones create a grounding environment that reconnects you with the natural world. Their versatility also means they can be paired effortlessly with other hues, providing a solid base for diverse interior styles. These tones also work so well with bedroom furniture trends, championing the use of organic materials and eco-furniture. Rattan, bamboo, and other sustainable materials are gaining popularity, with designs emphasizing a connection to nature and a focus on sustainability. This trend reflects a deeper societal shift towards eco-conscious living, where innovation and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Soft lavenders, gentle blues, and pale greens bring bedrooms a dreamy ethereal ambience, perfect for relaxation and reflection. These understated colors, reminiscent of early morning skies, are excellent for creating open and intimate spaces. Pair a soft scheme with more vibrant pops of coral or yellow to create a dynamic design. While lighter hues dominate, there's an increasing inclination toward integrating dark and moody accent colors. Deep midnight blues, rich red burgundies, and charcoal greys are being used strategically to add depth, sophistication, and a touch of drama to bedroom spaces. When juxtaposed with lighter tones, these accent colors can elevate the overall design, giving it a modern and luxurious feel. Moreover, dark accents let you play with contrasts, creating focal points and adding dimension to your beautiful bedroom. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.